Hey Captain's crew, Captain Panda here, back again um with a sort of a sad video for you guys. And that is basically that all of my series, my WWE, my Minecraft, all of them have unfortunately ended due to a um, mistake I did where I accidentally deleted, well, not deleted, but wiped my save data off my PS4 trying to clean out space. So, all the games I have up here on the screen still are playable. They just don't have any of my saved things. Like WWE 2K20 does not have Yuri Wolf and Denise Wells. I'll have to recreate them. MLB The Show 20, I have to remake Yuri Wolf, so that will have to be kicked into a season 2. Denise Wells will be kicked into a season 2. And all my Minecraft series that didn't get to be able to take off like I wanted to will be pushed into a season 2. Where Yuri Wolf will not be pushed into a season 2. He will come back in the next WWE game. And for his road to the show, he will be kicked into a season 2. But don't get me wrong, Lewis Wolf and Adam Wolf will be getting their own My Career modes for WWE 2K22. 20. Well, not this game, but the next version of WWE 2K. So stay tuned for WWE 2K 21st because, well, not 21st, 22nd. Hold on. WWE 20 WWE 22, Lewis Wolf, Adam Wolf, and Yori Wolf, plus Denise Wells will have their own My Career modes. And on top of that, all of my series will be continuing, even though I kind of accidentally wiped all their save data, except for Yori Wolf's WWE 2K20 My Career. His career has ended for this game until 20 WWE 2K22 comes out. His Road to the Show series has ended because you guys are gonna be getting a new character that I'm gonna create for 2K20 for Road to the Show. And all the games that I have right here are going to be put on my channel, so stay tuned because you guys got a lot more videos coming out since I've accidentally deleted all my save data. So, yeah. And the reason why I haven't been uploading is that I haven't been filling the drive that most YouTubers have been filling to upload. So, my drive to be uploading videos has been low, so if I stop uploading entirely, I've completely lost the drive to upload. So I'll go in more detail into that in my next video. Captain out.